Hi, Stuart Barn here, and in this video we're looking at the blues scale CAGED shape 5. Just like with the previous videos, we're going to do this in the key of A. I'm going to be playing over an A major chord, though you can use it over a minor chord. It's equally valid in both situations. So here is the shape first of all. As usual, there's a link in the notes below this video. You can click through and get this scale on screen. And just like with all the other shapes, the blues scale is the minor pentatonic scale with the addition of one extra note. The note itself is called the flat 5 and it appears here and here. And when we play this with emphasis, as we said in the previous videos, it creates tension. So let's demonstrate that first of all, then I'll move on to the second example. So hopefully that tension that was created there, that high tension, was pretty clear. So that's one way of using it. The other way, just like with the other shapes, is to pass through it more fleetingly. Here's an example of that. So you can hear that that's not really tense, it's a more smooth bluesy effect. As usual, if this is a shape and a scale that you need to spend a bit of time working on, get it in your practice regime and commit to it for a week or so. If you haven't got an effective practice regime, don't forget that you can get a free copy of my ebook on how to create an effective practice regime. I'll put a link in the notes below again. Good luck with the scale shape. Please give the video a thumbs up if you thought it was useful and click subscribe. See you in the next video.